If you want to create a mirror effect in Gimp, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step, so you can make a clean, reflected look in just a few minutes. This is a great effect for posters, thumbnails, artwork, social media graphics, and any project where you want your image to feel more dramatic and polished. And if you find this helpful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy Gimp tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your image in Gimp. Once your image is loaded, the first thing you want to do is duplicate the layer. This gives you a second copy of the image that you can use for the reflection without damaging the original. You can do that by right-clicking the layer and choosing Duplicate Layer, or using the Duplicate option from the Layer menu. Now press M on your keyboard to activate the Move tool. With the duplicated layer selected, move it to the opposite side of the first image, basically placing it on the flip side where you want the mirrored reflection to appear. Take your time here and line it up so the two images meet in a natural-looking way. The better this alignment is, the more realistic your mirror effect will look. After that, go to Image and then choose Fit Canvas to Layers. This step is important because it expands the canvas to fit both layers properly. Without doing this, part of your reflection could get cut off or hidden outside the visible area. Once the canvas is fitting, you should be able to see the full mirrored layout. Now flip the duplicated layer using Shift+F and make sure the duplicated layer is still selected. This is the reflected side that you're going to blend out. Right-click on that layer and choose Add Layer Mask. When the mask options appear, select White. A white layer mask means everything on that layer is fully visible at first, and then you can fade it gradually using a gradient. Now press G to activate the gradient tool, and press D to reset your colors to the default foreground and background colors. Then make sure the gradient type is set to FG to BG, which stands for foreground to background. This is the setting that lets you fade from one color or transparency level into another smoothly. With the mask selected, drag a gradient from the far side of the duplicated image toward the point where the two images meet. The goal here is to make the area near the center fully visible, while the farther side gradually becomes transparent. That fading effect is what makes the reflection look like it is disappearing naturally instead of ending in a hard line. If it doesn't look right the first time, just undo and try again from a slightly different angle until the fade feels smooth. Once the reflection blend is looking good, the final touch is to add a new layer. Fill that layer with your foreground color, which in this case should be black. Then move that layer to the very bottom of the layer stack so it sits behind everything else. This gives you a solid background and helps the mirror effect stand out more cleanly. If you want, you can also change the background color instead of leaving it black. That's a nice trick because the transparent part of the reflected image can pick up a different mood depending on the color underneath. You can experiment with dark gray, blue, or any other color that fits your design. And that's it. You've now created a mirror effect in Gimp. It's a simple technique, but it can make a huge difference in how professional your image looks. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Gimp editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.